Hi, we're here today with Eva Chen, CEO of Trend Micro, on the floor at RSA.
Hello, everybody.
I'm Dave Asprey, VP of Cloud Security, and I'm here to ask Eva some questions about cloud security. Eva, my first question for you today is, in the last white paper we have, it's called A Brave New Security World. Can you help us understand why it's a brave new world?
Because this whole cloud and virtualization thing is a real infrastructure revolution for IT industry. And as you know, when the infrastructure is changed, everything changes, especially security. It's almost like you're changing the architecture design of a house. Then you need to change your design of how the door is open, the window is open, and most importantly, how do you lock those doors and windows? That's why we say now we need a brave new world for security.
So how is security changing to accommodate the brave new world? Like, what are the changes you're seeing?
I think there's two parts of the security that need to be changed. First is we call it security from the cloud. Means that because of so many mobility going on the devices, you must provide security from the cloud so that you can reach all of the devices. Right? So security from the cloud. Second is security for the cloud. Means that the network, the company's network data center, when they have more and more server there, and when they virtualizing that, and when they starting to use public cloud, share computing power, share storage, make the data center protection and virtualization efficiency most important criteria for selecting security product.
Okay, so how are customers going to get to the cloud? A lot of them today are not yet in the cloud. Is there a way they're going to do this?
I think that's why we say we must understand customers progressing. It's a journey to the cloud. Nobody is going to just jump onto the cloud. They still have their physical infrastructure, they have their virtualization infrastructure, and they are considering using the public cloud. As a security vendor, we must be the partner of customer and securing all the way. So securing the journey to the cloud, from physical, virtual to the cloud.
So how is Trend Micro as a company going to evolve to better provide this mobility, virtualization, and cloud types of security?
I would say that's both ends, right? Cloud means that inside the cloud, the data center part, we need to provide the separate segregation of the computing power, products such as deep security that can do that, or the segregation of the data storage, products such as secure cloud can provide that. And also, for the client side, we need to provide a very light agent that is enabled by our smart protection network, security from the cloud. So as a security vendor, we do both sides, security from the cloud to enable all the mobile devices, security for the cloud to make sure that new infrastructure inside the data center are really secure.
Thanks. Another question. So in a recent white paper, we talked about how we believe that the market, which is now larger for network security, is going to flip, and that endpoint security is going to become more strategic and more important and actually be a larger percentage of IT spend than network security. Can you explain why you see that this is going to happen?
Because cloud actually break the boundary of network. Before, people always think, this is my network, I put a firewall here, I put IDS, this is my network. But today, with your people using iPhone, iPad, accessing internet, using the 3G network, where is your boundary of the network? The only boundary is the endpoint, the device, the data, where it resides. And therefore, security needs to go to the endpoint, follow where the data is, follow where the connection is, not just residing inside the network. That's why we say endpoint is going to be even more important.
Eva, thanks for taking your time as CEO of Trend Micro to share your thoughts about the future of security with us.